This is a nice, juicy, tasty turkey breast. We put this in the Weber Smokey Mountain with some charcoal, a little bit of fruit wood, and a little bit of rub. It turned out fantastic. Hey, it's Chef with BBQplus. Today we are cooking up a turkey breast. Just got my little Weber Smokey Mountain. This is the 14-inch. I've got the 18 and the 22 also, but for a single turkey breast, hey, why burn all that fuel for something I really don't need that big? So we're gonna take a look inside there and see what we got going. We're running this little Smokey Mountain between 2 and 250. You can see where we've got a great turkey breast on there. And we've got a little bit of plum and applewood in there. The rub that I'm using is MVP all-purpose rub, a whole lot of hot damn. I've tried some of their rubs before and they work out pretty good, so excited to see what this will do. But gonna have some backyard projects going in the meantime. I figure I might as well cook up something for dinner, and that turkey breast was just calling my name. And it's time to check in on this. That is looking pretty fine. I think that is looking really good. We basted that up with a little bit of pomegranate juice, just something to keep the outside a little bit moist. We are not running with a water pan in here, and we've been running about 250 degrees. Now it's time to put a probe in here. We'll see what the temps are running. 152, but look at the juice run out of there. Wow. That is really juicy inside, so give it a little bit of time. We want to hit that 165 and then we'll pull it out. There's the charcoal just chilling out down in the bottom. We also did add a couple of pieces of fruit wood, and that'll kind of give it some good smoke flavor. I've been running with the top vent wide open. We've been sitting right at 250 degrees. And then each one of the bottom vents, I've got about a pencil width open. So we are pretty much done here. We're probing in at about 170, so it's time to take this off. There we go. We're gonna give it a few minutes to rest, and then we'll cut into it and see what it tastes like. All right, so it's time to check this out. It's been resting for probably about a half hour or so, still nice and warm, but we're gonna cut into this and really see what this tastes like. Good juices to it, I can see already. Let's see what kind of a smoke ring that we got. There's a little bit. But we're gonna give this a taste test. Some of the slices here. Definitely looks good. Now we're gonna go in and give it a try. That rub on the outside, really good. I really like that. It's still juicy inside. It's cooked on the outside. I wouldn't say the skin is crispy, but it's definitely done. That is good stuff. This is gonna be great for sandwiches, to be able to put together maybe as a main meal. You could even cut this up and put it on a salad and it'd be fantastic also. Yep, I would say that this is definitely a winner. Hey, if you are inspired by what I'm cooking today, as well as the over 100 videos that I've got on my YouTube site, go ahead, check them out, and cook something great in your backyard. Hit that subscribe, like, share it with your friends. And hey, from BBQplus, thanks for watching today.